In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your broken bank balance in QuickBooks Online. Before we jump into QuickBooks, start by grabbing the most recent bank statement for the period you want to reconcile. Make sure it covers the exact dates you're working on. You'll be matching every transaction in QuickBooks to what's on this statement, so having the right one in front of you is essential. Now, let's head into QuickBooks Online and open the Reconcile tool. From the left-hand menu, go to Bookkeeping, then select Reconcile. At the top, choose the correct bank account from the drop-down list. Double-check that you're picking the same account that your statement is for, especially if you have multiple checking or savings accounts. If QuickBooks shows an alert saying something like, "We can help you fix it because the beginning balance is off," click that alert. This will open the Reconciliation Discrepancy Report, which helps you track down transactions that were changed, deleted, or added after you reconciled a previous period. Make a note of anything that looks off. This report is your roadmap to what broke the balance. Next, it's time to enter your statement details. Look at your bank statement and type the ending balance and the ending date exactly as they appear. Even small typos can cause problems, so take a second to verify those numbers. Once that's in, click Start Reconciling. On the reconciliation screen, you'll see a list of transactions that QuickBooks thinks should be on your bank statement. Go line by line, comparing what's in QuickBooks to what's on the statement. For each transaction that appears on your bank statement, check it off in QuickBooks. As you do this, keep an eye on the difference amount in the upper right corner. Your goal is to bring that difference down to 0. If something doesn't line up, this is where you fix common errors. If you see a transaction on your bank statement that isn't in QuickBooks at all, you'll need to manually add it. If you notice the same transaction twice in QuickBooks, and you know one came from your bank feed and one was entered manually, exclude one of them so you're not doubling it. If the amount in QuickBooks doesn't match the statement, click into that transaction and edit the amount so it matches reality. If a transaction that was already reconciled in a previous month has been changed or deleted, it will usually show up on that discrepancy report. To fix it, you may need to unreconcile it. Go to your chart of accounts, open the register for that bank account, find the transaction, and click the R in the reconciliation status column until it's blank. That removes the reconciliation status so you can correct it properly. Once you've worked through all the transactions and the difference at the top reads exactly 0, you're ready to finish. Click Finish Now to complete the reconciliation. If you're left with a small difference you absolutely cannot find, QuickBooks does allow you to force the reconciliation, but that should be a last resort. Always talk to your accountant or a bookkeeping professional before you take that step, because forcing it can hide underlying issues. And that's how you fix a broken bank balance in QuickBooks Online, by carefully reconciling your account and correcting the underlying transactions.